so this system is the Sena intercom system that went in my helmet, and then I ordered a Sena Bluetooth connector from a GoPro. So between the two, it should allow me to kind of narrate as I'm recording. Not that I do a lot of that, but it's kind of cool and helps sometimes when doing special things and whatnot. So for those that didn't check out the other two videos, this is the 2020 Suzuki Hayabusa in red color, and like I said, it's my fourth ride, so I'm up to about 120 miles, 130 miles, something like that total. So I haven't really had it out a whole lot, but I got it early, so it was still too early, pretty snowy. Today's an awesome day. It's like 73 or 75 degrees, something like that, and super warm, so perfect day for riding. So I figured I'd get out and check it out anyway. But it's a pretty cool system if it works. I haven't tested it yet, so hopefully everything's going well. But I've really liked the bike so far. It's been super smooth to ride, and it's got a lot of power, but it's very manageable. And myself, I chose to go with the Hayabusa because it's heavier. And definitely more stable, I think, in the wind. I like this style of bike. It's a bike I've always ridden, so I'm kind of used to them, and I just like the way they handle, and I like the power behind them. So, but the Hayabusa is definitely heavier. You're not going to roll through the corners like you normally would on a lighter weight bike, but it still corners very well. Super stable, like I said, so very happy. But this little pack from Sena that I bought for the Bluetooth part of it is works for the 3 and the 3 Plus, and I have a GoPro Hero 4 black, I think it is, so I wasn't sure if it'd work, but it plugged in. Everything seemed to work really well, so hopefully it will. But so far it's been perfect for what I'm looking for, as long as it does what I would like it to do. And like I said, I don't narrate any of my videos, but it's kind of cool to point out some neat stuff if you got the opportunity. So. Turn here, head up on the highway, see how the sound is. Yep, so right now we're doing about 80, as you can see, I'm sure. And hopefully it sounds good. It's quite a bit of, even though my helmet's really pretty good as far as keeping down the wind and whatnot, Of course, there's still a lot of wind noise, but we'll see. All right, so hope you enjoyed it. As far as the video, hopefully it's a good one. It's kind of out of my norm, like I said, but whatever, something different. Thanks for watching.